Hey guys, it's me Jake from JakeMan21642. Today I've got a video for you of this 2015 Kia Optima EX. This one is finished off in a black exterior, which looks great on the vehicle, especially with the tinted windows this one does have. Which, as you can see, this one has a very clean and even tint job. This does look like 35% tint to me. Outside, you do have body color door handles with some chrome accenting your intelligent entry built in. And you can see this one does have power folding mirrors. Up top, this one does have the panoramic roof. You have your radio antenna right there, and your fuel cap on the driver's side. Around the rear, your Optima and EX GDI badges. This one does have a rear backup camera, rear parking sensors, and dual exhaust down below. Over here, this one is riding on Nexen tires. They are the CP671s, and they're in good shape. They are P215 55 R17s, so you have 17-inch alloy wheels on this one. Inside and out, this is a very nice loaded Optima. Up front, you have projector headlights, fog lights, and I believe this one does have your LED daytime running lights as well. Does include your typical Kia intelligent entry key with lock, unlock, trunk release, and panic. Press and hold, and it will release the trunk. Go ahead and get in, and as you can see, when you approach the vehicle, the mirrors will power fold out. And just press to unlock, and press right here to lock. Mirrors will power fold in. Inside, this one does have the beige leather interior. Optima floor mats. This interior is in great shape. This is a clean auto check, one owner, local trade-in. Power seat. And to start, just put your foot on the brake and press right here. Go ahead and close the door. And just have the key fob in the vehicle and you're good to go. Inside of this Optima, you do have a leather-wrapped steering wheel, your audio system controls, cruise controls on the side of the wheel, eco mode on and off, as well as your voice commands. And nice and surprisingly responsive power steering in this car. Definitely updated from the older Kias. On the door, it's all soft material. Up top, you have padded leather around here, which this is perforated leather, and then stitched leather all down below. Wood grain on the doors. Both of your front windows are automatic. Power locks, power mirrors. As I showed, mirrors are power folding. Power seat memory over here in your door handle. Some storage down below, as well as your trunk and fuel cap release. Gauge shimmer, heated steering wheel controls, traction control on and off, and your blind spot monitoring. Fuse panel, and then your parking brake is down there. The dashboard in the EX is all leather stitched all around here, and then soft touch up above. Really high quality material. Your headlight controls over here, they are automatic. Fog lights on and off. As well as in the middle, you can see the gauges. Very nice looking cluster with your tachometer, speedometer in the middle. And as I said, this one has only 33 or just under 34,000 miles on it. And then your engine temperature and fuel gauge right there. In the middle, 2 air vents, as well as everything will show up on the display regarding your audio system, navigation. This one does have the Infinity sound system, which sounds so good. And you can see it's a very nice, clean color display. It's all very easy to use. You can go to your home screen, which shows your navigation, all of that, all of your menus. CD player up top. Navigation. Very easy to use, as I said. And your radio, Bluetooth phone, everything else. Dual zone automatic climate control below that. Zones for the driver and passenger. Everything's very easy. Once again, you can even bring the climate up on the display. All of that, hazard controls. Down here, this one does have the 6-speed automatic. Drive, manual mode, reverse. It does have a rear backup camera. And you do have some storage down below, 2 12-volt outlets, and then your USB, auxiliary, all of that. This is all lined in leather, and then you have the very nice piano black trim around here. And then down here, wood grain, which matches with the door and on your shifter. Heated and cooled seats for the driver and passenger right here, which is a very cool and unexpected feature for this to have cooled seats. 2 cup holders with a nice chrome ring around them, and then a padded armrest right here. Storage inside. Does have your container, More storage down below. And the seats in this vehicle are very comfortable. High quality leather with the perforations in the middle. They hold you in very well. I mean, this interior is a very nice place to be on this Kia. And for the money, you really can't beat the amount of options it gives you. Up top, mirrors built into your shades right there. As well as you do have your light for the mirror. In the middle, you have interior lighting controls. You have this LED light, which will shine down in the middle, as well as a sunglasses container. And this one does have the panoramic roof, so you have a sunroof for the back as well as the front. Press that, and it will open both shades. And actually open the sunroof. You can see you do have a wind deflector in the front. Go ahead and step out of this one. Also, can't remember if I mentioned, but you do have your power seat memory for the driver built in on the door. Pop the hood, and pop the trunk. Stepping into the rear seat of this Kia, everything follows through with your padded material, your padded leather on the door, and stitching around here. And the back seat of this car is really a great place to be. I mean, this car, especially with just the standard 2.4 liter engine, would be a great commuter, people hauler. If you're an Uber, Lyft driver, something like that, this is a perfect car for it. As I said, everything follows through material quality-wise on the door. This one does have heated rear seats as well, storage, and then back seat pockets on each side. 2 air vents in the middle. And then, as I said, that beautiful panoramic roof up top. Also have an armrest in the middle for both of your passengers, cup holders. And the seats are very comfortable. It's the same nice leather as up front. Inside of the trunk, great amount of space. This being a mid-size sedan, it's what you'd expect. You have both of your releases for the rear seat up above, carpeted rear floor mats, storage down below, which does include your tire mobility kit. And as I said earlier too, with the tint job this one has done, it's very clean looking. Back seat from this side, everything follows through. Heated seats for this side as well. Passenger side, this one does have a power passenger seat. And the seat on this side is heated and cooled too. Inside of here, this one includes all of your original owner's literature, inside of its original wallet. You also have a cooled glove box in this car. You can open and close it by right there, but it will channel cool air inside of the glove box. And up front, projector halogen headlights, fog lights, and then under the hood, this one does have your 2.4 liter GDI 4-cylinder. It's a nice, reliable, and fuel-efficient engine. It is direct injected as well. You can see everything under here is in great shape, very clean. Close that. Bring the automatic driver's side window up and cut it off. Move the key. And headlights back into automatic mode. As always, this vehicle is for sale at Volvo of Richmond here in Richmond, Virginia. If you are interested in this Optima, please let Volvo of Richmond know you saw this video. Thanks for watching.